Hello and welcome to Daily Football and welcome back to the channel guys. You are watching Football Daily and here are the top stories from the football world. Liverpool in talks to sign 20 million Quebec. Mahrez squashes PSG links. Upamecano becomes Liverpool top target. Man City to sign Stefano. Arsenal considering another hour approach. Man United join Thorough race. Son to sign new Tottenham contract. Liverpool are desperate to sign a defender to provide a cover to Virgil van Dijk after he suffered an ACL injury against Everton, and they turn their attention to Schalke defender Ozan Kabak. According to the Mirror, Klopp is desperate for another centre back. The Reds are prepared to offer an initial £20 million plus add-ons for the centre back, with Schalke hoping to earn at least £30 million from any deal. Kabak, a Turkey international, joined Schalke in 2019 from Stuttgart. Mahrez squashes PSG links. Manchester City star Riyad Mahrez has labeled reports linking him with a move to PSG as fake reports. Recent reported comments from the attacker seem to suggest he would consider a move to PSG if the club wanted to organize a transfer. Mahrez himself has now shut down that speculations, however, by clearing the quotes are fake. Upamecano becomes Liverpool's top target. Sunday was reporting that RB Leipzig defender Dayot Upamecano is Liverpool's top transfer target. The Reds are after another centre back following an injury to Virgil van Dijk, and it's believed Leipzig will listen to offers in excess of £40 million. Man City to sign Stefano. Manchester City are ready to swap for Partizan youngster Philip Stefano. The winger looks set to sign a 4.5-year contract with the Citizens when he completes a move in January. Arsenal considering another hour approach. Arsenal are mulling over another approach for Lyon playmaker Houssem Aouar, according to Football.London. The Gunners could not afford to land the France international over the summer, but movement out of the Emirates could free up funds for a January rate. Man United join Thorough race. Manchester United have already signed one Thorough over recent weeks in young Atlanta winger Ahmad, who is set to arrive at Old Trafford in January. However, the Italian outlet Calcio Mercato now reports that the Red Devils are also eyeing a deal for the Ivorian namesake Adama as they seek alternative to Jadon Sancho after following a fruitless summer chase. Manchester City, Liverpool and Barcelona are also said to be chasing the gifted spender who is reportedly valued at around £90 million by the Wolves. Son to sign new Tottenham contract soon. Jose Mourinho says Heung-min Son is set to become part of the furniture at Tottenham by signing a new long-term contract. Son came off the bench to score for the ninth time this season as Spurs began the Europa League group with a comfortable 3-0 win over Lens on Thursday night. Afterwards, Mourinho said the 28-year-old wants to sign an extension to his current deal, which expires in 2023, and the Spurs manager is confident that sooner or later it will happen. Mourinho said, I would love him to sign a new contract. Son has 3 years of contract, so it's not like we are in extreme position of everybody being worried. It's more that Son loves it here. I believe that he would like to commit his future to the club for a long time. Everybody at this club is totally in love with this player and this boy and is trying also to make him feel part of the furniture. Normal the club tries to go from 3 years to 4 or 5 or 6. I don't know, it's normal. But it's a very calm situation because Son has 3 more years of contract, but I wish for him to get a new contract. He deserves one. The club knows that, and sooner or later, without any pressure, they will arrive into a decision.